TFNN. Headline News Update.
Good morning, everybody. I'm Tommy O'Brien, coming to you live from TFNN, 9 a.m. Eastern Time, Wednesday morning, 30 minutes to go until that opening bell, and we got markets climbing into positive territory, clawing back some of the losses that we had yesterday afternoon. Right now, you're looking at an S&P positive by 27 points, trading at 33.80. You see the fall off yesterday on President Trump's tweet that no more stimulus talks until the election. The S&Ps trade from 34.21 down to a low at about 4:45 last night. You're talking about a low of 33.30 and 50 cents. From there, we're up about 50 S&P points. You're getting more tweets from the president. Maybe we'll get some stimulus in the form of individual past items like $25 billion for the airlines, maybe $1,200 sent out to each American. We'll see how that plays out. Nonetheless, the market climbing back up 50 points. We're basically right where we were at, or within at about 11.45. You're trading at 33.86. We're within 8 S&P points of that price level. NASDAQ NQ is up 100 points at 11,374. The Dow up 194 points. You see, clawing back. And how about the Russell? Up 18 points, 1592. We're basically right back to where we were at 10 o'clock in the morning yesterday in the Russell 2000. It's been quite a run. When you pull up the Russell, you see the run we've had really since September 24th. You're down there at 1426, and we're up basically 175 points, sitting right near 1600 in the Russell 2000. All right, commodity-wise, gold contract backing off a bit, down $15 at $18.94. You see the acceleration yesterday from $19.27 to $18.77. Crude down 61 cents at $40.60. You got that Hurricane Delta out there in the Gulf potentially. Silver down 7 pennies at $23.85, and we'll jump over to notes and bonds. The 10-year minus 7 ticks right now at 138.26. The 30-year minus 24 ticks at 173.30. And we'll jump over to the VIX, the volatility index, down 41 cents with an elevated market, but still sitting at 29.07. All right, what else we got going on out there? So Trump's tweet storm, in terms of what you're talking about. So here's one of them that started it off, didn't start it off, actually. You got the tweet about the stimulus first, I believe, at 6:30 or so last night, but talking about maybe $25 billion for airlines, $135 for the Paycheck Protection Program. You also got a tweet out there saying that $1,200 stimulus checks for every American. That putting a little bit of a bid in the markets. But man, the day is young, 9 a.m. Eastern time, 27 days until that presidential election. You got a vice presidential debate tonight. Potentially a presidential debate next week. We'll see what happens, folks. Stay tuned. We got markets in positive territory. We got our man Larry Pesavento coming up live next with Trade What You See. We'll be right back.